Hello guys, nag-grocery si Honey, maraming yogurt, no? Pagdating sa trabaho may lettuce. Tapos dito mayroong pork chop, ayan,
oh, honey, you don't
sausage.
want the maple one, it's no good.
And then this one, bumili siya ng maraming jello.
You know that, honey?
Sa kanyang diet ko rin. Honey, hang on! And this one jello, why two, honey? Why? Why this two?
So there's enough?
Two jello. And, oh, cheese! This is good cheese, guys.
It's the snack ones.
Yeah, the cheese for snack. It's called string cheese, mozzarella. Oh, no. Natay petchay. Honey bought petchay. Even I didn't say, or I didn't ask him to buy a petchay. Natay. Na ako'y saging. Meron akong saging. Ito yung paborito ko, lagain saging. What else he got? Mango, I think. Avocado. Avocado, guys. Avocado. Avocado. Kahit hindi ako nagpabili ni Apam, bumili siya. Biskot gatay. And mayroon siyang, what is this? Radish. Radish na pula. Oh. Ayan lang guys. Grabe itong aking vlog. Wala na nagkadimao. Bahala na.